Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: latest iOS, at least 20% battery, and a clean finger for accurate reads. Open Settings and tap Touch ID and passcode, then enter your passcode to proceed. Now place the finger you prefer gently on the sensor. Don't press hard. The phone will prompt small lifts and rests. Follow them. This initial registration trains the sensor on your fingerprint's edges and center, which improves unlock reliability and future authentication speed. Once the first fingerprint is captured, refine it by following detailed on-screen motions. Rotate and adjust the angle to log edges and pressure variations. Then, add at least one alternate finger, usually the opposite thumb or index, so you can unlock in different grips. Make sure to enable Touch ID for Apple Pay and App Store purchases if you want quick payments and downloads. These steps reduce false rejects and make everyday use seamless. You're teaching the phone multiple ways you naturally hold it. To finish, test unlocking, Apple Pay, and any apps that use Touch ID. Confirm each works reliably. If a fingerprint frequently fails, delete that entry and re-register it with careful angle coverage. Sometimes redoing gives immediate improvement. If problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger, remove or realign a screen protector, and restart the iPhone. As a last step, update iOS. Sometimes a software patch resolves recognition issues. This sequence ensures both hardware and software get a clean start for accurate authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.